See the inside of see the inside of the lens. This. Uh-huh.
Statue. So typically this is how many of us shoot when we say like you have to shoot, right? Especially when you are doing handhold. One of the problems is, of course, this is IS lens technology, all that all said and done. Still, there is a lot of chances in this kind of a pose when you shoot. Okay, you will get shake in your image. Typically, the way you have to shoot is make sure your hands are not free. So make sure your hands are not free. So when you're shooting, so this is how you try to shoot, or probably many of you. Okay. Always important to wear the strap. I have seen my friends damage their equipment, lens, costly ones because of this. In fact, in one of her cabinet trips, this girl from Hyderabad, she thought like it was a brand new 5D Mark II with a brand new 100mm macro lens. Okay, and she thought she was wearing the strap, and she just left the camera. It fell. The new lens was completely like the UV filter was put, cracked and got jacked. We couldn't remove it. So fortunately, nothing happened to the whole equipment, but wearing the strap, and make sure you're wearing the strap.
But one more thing about it. Okay. One more thing. Okay, you carry on.
Ganesh and me went to Formula 1 hour. So we went to Formula 1 this one, and we had paddock pass. So we were walking inside the paddock, and I was just telling you this morning, I had a 7200 couldn't shoot Michael. I mean, all these guys were here. So he had his 7200 VR2 and also a 1116 with him. So I gave my R strap so that on the 7200 he had locked it on the
R strap
on the lens. Okay, he had a TC and other things. So when we moved, the moment we were inside the paddock and he could see all the drivers and all those guys at this distance. So I decided I can't do anything with my 7200. He said I'm going to change it to the wide angle and then do this one. He removed the body and then left it, forgetting the fact that the lens was the one which was holding on to the R strap and the D7000 just fell on the pit.
and it's still working itself.
I just say, so with this strap we have.
Yeah, you have to wear both when you do R strap. That's the story.
So typically when you saw light, so you should never leave your hands free when you're shooting any long lens, big lens, any of those things. Make sure you tuck it in.
Yeah.
Okay, and also when you're shooting, don't try to shoot straight like this and shoot. Try to keep one leg forward. Okay, so basically you have to make sure your whole body acts as a tripod for your equipment. Okay, so hands completely tucked in. Okay, on the palm, if this is a long lens, it should go to your lens. Okay, hold it like this and completely tucked in. And then at the time when you are about to shoot, for that few seconds, you have to hold your breath. Don't breathe. Of course, don't shoot for 15-20 seconds. Okay.
Better to take a picture of you.
Okay, just at the time when you are about to click right, hold your breath and make sure everything is totally stable and then shoot. Otherwise what happens, because of the weight of the lens, right, if you keep it loose like this, the hands, okay, light shake will be there when you are shooting. And more so, of course, if the equipment is little heavy, one way it is good, because it will give you more stability. Overall, equipment itself is extremely light. No matter how much you do, right, all these things you feel more heavy, and the equipment in the hand is going to be very, very light. Okay, so shake will come into picture. So this is one very important thing. Of course, when it comes to the long lens also, this also, the way I shoot it when I am doing handhold, is this one, the lens collar, what we call. This helped me a lot, and this is basically the focusing ring what we have in the long lens. So I always hold it like this, okay, and then these two fingers which are there, right. So this thumb is basically holding my focusing ring, because for whatever reason, if I am not able to do autofocus, then I use the thumb to basically do the focusing. Okay, so even in this image, if you see, the thumb is over there. Even there also, the thumb is actually on my focusing ring. And again the same concept, one leg forward, back, and then tuck it in, and this left hand what you have, right, you can actually put it on your tummy. If you have a good tummy, it's okay. So take support of this. So basically tuck it in. So now if you see this whole position, your whole body itself acts as a tripod. Okay, with this hand positioning and then this kind of a way, right? So your whole body itself acts as a tripod. And then again, when you're shooting for the fraction of a second, hold your breath. This is if you're doing handheld with the long lens. Of course, after this, obviously, this is the way I walk around. Of course, I mean it's very heavy, this equipment, so you can't continue to run around or shoot any of those things. Okay, so I then basically rest it on your shoulders here, then walk around. So this shooting technique is very, very important.
What's your view between the camera lenses in particular of Canon, Nikon type compared to Tamron and other?
See, the main reason why I go for Nikon or Canon is the array of lenses that they have. Okay, and also as initially I told you, the complexity of the lens. Even these lens, if you see, right, the number of lens elements inside what you have. If you see the specs, it will say 16, 18 elements in 8 groups. So there are so many glass elements, and the technology which goes behind making this. So there is this EF lens book work in Europe website, Canon Europe website, free of cost. You can download the whole PDF file, multiple chapters. One chapter explain the complexity of how the lens is there inside. Of course, they don't reveal how they have designed it. It's their proprietary thing. They don't tell that. But how complex it is and what it takes to try and design that they have explained. Amazing. So if you look at that and the kind of money amount to spend on these L series lenses or the Nikon lenses, what we have, right? That is where the cost is extremely everywhere. There's a 200 VR, there's a 200, 400, other fantastic lenses. 200, 400? Okay. Okay.
No, camera
200
is mine.
400 lens.
Camera
Then
is
the
mine.
other